Hi everyone, this is Kingdom Architecture, and today I'm gonna show you how to work with the Slab tool. So we are using the same point cloud as before, and in our last tutorial we did the walls, the enclosed space, and now we have to work with the Slab tool. So this is the 3D window, and if we zoom inside we can see now, of course, we don't have any floor or foundation for this palace. We have to create this. So in the section view, let's see how it looks like. Of course, we don't have the full thickness, but we can create like 30 centimeter foundation for this palace. So the Slab tool is perfect for this purpose. We can find in the design and Slab. Of course, we have the same amount of adjustments for the Slab tool. We have the geometry method. So this one, for example, we can create like slab with many sides. This is the slab we created, and this is not a simple slab. It has a couple of layers. So let's delete, choose another one, for example the second one, where we can create rectangle ones. This is the simple slab. We can choose the material as well. We have many options, but I think concrete structural would be perfect for this. So we have here concrete, but in the other side we have concrete structure. This is what we are using now. And let's create our slab. Make sure you click, of course, the edge of the wall and extend it further. So let's place down here, and after we make the final adjustments. So let's select our slab, and we are using, of course, the section view in order to see. You can see this is our slab. It's 30 centimeter thick, so a thickness. For this purpose, I mean, it's not enough for foundation, but for this tutorial it's fine. We can make many adjustments here in terms of material and so on. And if we go back to the floor plan view, we have to use the edges and stretch it further and make visible at the other part of the building. So we need to stretch it down, and we can insert nodes in order to make another corner. So this is the first option in our palette, and we can stretch it further, and we have to insert another node for that corner, you can see. So insert here, stretch it over there, and we are completed our slab, which is not good here. Yeah, so let's move it down, and I think now it's fine. So our slab or our foundation, it's basically under our walls as well, to be supported. So the walls are supported by this slab. So we have on the first floor one corridor as well, and we can place this ceiling here for that corridor. We use the same slab tool, but we have to make sure this one goes on the first floor. So we need to change the home story. So it's like 10 centimeters. Extend it further to the stairs, because below we have stairs. And if we go to the section view now, the first section, we can't see anything because basically we put on the same place this slab. We need to elevate. So we need to change the home story here. First story, this is what we need now. And if we go back, for example, to the first floor in the floor plan view, we can see our slab, but we can't see our walls. It's crucial to have the walls as well visible on the first floor. So this is our ceiling basically, or the floor of this corridor. We can't see here now the walls, yeah, so we need to elevate a little bit more because it's now overlapping with the wall. We elevate a little bit and now it's fine. If you want, you can stretch it a bit more to be accurate for the point cloud. That's fine, because in the next tutorial we're gonna place columns to this place. So this is our slab. Let's go back to the ground floor, and we have of course some options to make it visible, our wall. In the floor plan and section view we can change like to be visible in all relevant stories or home story, but I think the best practice is to use the pause reference for this. So the pause reference you can find up here, and yeah, so now it's active, and we can follow our walls with the slab. So we need to make some offset now, extend it further and make the final adjustments in order to be very accurate. Here it's fine as well, you can see the columns. Okay, so now in the first floor we have this slab. So our floor plan cut plane, basically, if we change that, we can make it visible, this corridor and the floor of it. So let's measure, for example, let's say from 1.5 to 0 on the first floor. We have to make a cut in the floor plan cut plane. So from 1.5 is the top height, and show down to 0. Now it's gonna be visible. You can see the wood as well. So in the in the 3D window we created our slab and our foundation as well. So basically it's ready for our next tutorial, where we are using the column tool. So thank you for all, and don't hesitate to drop me a comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.